Welcome to my channel Menu of the Week, where I publish quick and easy recipes that help save your time, energy and money in the kitchen. Today I will share a recipe for healthy pine cone jam. This jam has a rich aroma of pine needles and a tart resinous taste. The cones in the finished jam are soft and tasty. Only young green cones are suitable for cooking. They should be soft, sticky and easy to pierce with a fingernail. In our country, these can be collected from the end of May to mid-June. But the timing may vary depending on your region. I process cones collected far from the city, factories and highways with gloves, since the resin is difficult to wash off. I wash them under running water, cut off the tails. If the cones are not very small, then I cut them in half. I pour the pine cones into a saucepan or bowl in which the jam will be cooked. I add sugar, pour in water and put it on the fire. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the sugar dissolves and it boils. After it boils, I reduce the heat and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. The pine cones in the sugar syrup will change their color from green to olive. I remove the jam from the heat and let it cool completely. As a rule, I leave it for about 12 hours so that the pine cones are saturated with the fragrant sugar syrup. Then I put it back on medium heat and bring it to a boil. After the jam boils, I reduce the heat to minimum and cook for about an hour and a half, periodically skimming off the foam. The syrup turns out liquid, amber in color. The pine cones turn from dark olive to brown in color, and are very soft. I pour the finished jam into pre-sterilized jars and close them with lids. I don't turn the jars upside down. I cover them with a blanket and leave them for a day. Then I put them in a dark, cool place for storage. Everything is ready. Pine cone jam has a lot of medicinal properties. And first of all, it helps fight colds. Therefore, such a preparation will be especially valuable in the fall and winter. Subscribe to my channel, put a like so as not to lose this recipe. The videos that I publish on my channel will help you save time, energy and money in the kitchen. With you is Daria Chernenko. Good luck!